Forensic investigation is one of the best courses because we don't have a direct route in regards to where you need to come from. It allows people who have a passion for it already. So we develop our course to have key themes from year 1 to the final year: criminology and policing, the science, and the CSI. We have a range of facilities. We have an entire house that we can set up for crime scenes. We also have a large outdoor area that we've used for plane crashes, for example. We've got state-of-the-art machinery in our laboratories. We also have a moot court, but then we also have professionals from the field delivering the content. The type of careers that someone can go from forensic investigation is so broad because they get to do every element of an investigation. We have students going in from the very first level of, say, fingerprinting in our CSIs, forensic laboratory, students going into the detective graduate program. So that's the best thing about the course, is that it's got so many different types of careers that students can go into.